everyone, welcome back to another episode. I'm Cari. This channel is all about Hawaii food and family, and we're back here today in the kitchen, and I'm with my niece Maya, and Maya really enjoys making crepes. So today she's gonna teach me how she makes her really delicious crepe recipe, and we're gonna put some really yummy toppings in the crepe. Do you wanna kind of share what some of the toppings are that we're gonna put, or what your favorite crepe is?
So my favorite crepe is, I like strawberries in mine. I don't really care for bananas, to be honest. So yeah, I normally skip that topping. So I love this chocolate called hazelnut chocolate called Nutella. It's really good. And I like Cool Whip.
Oh, that's another one. We don't have that today.
We don't have that, but yeah. And then we normally eat blueberries with it.
Blueberries. So today we have a couple other toppings. We have some raspberries that we're gonna put in, and we're gonna make like a dessert style one, and we're also gonna try a savory crepe. I wanted to try two different styles, so we're gonna put some smoked salmon, and we're also gonna put some cream cheese. So it's kind of like a lox bagel, but in a crepe. So just stay with us. We're gonna make the crepe first, and then we're gonna put it all together. Okay, Maya just got a stool, so she's a little bit taller now, and also don't mind the piano music if you hear that in the background. Jenny's teaching piano here, so there's a lot going on in the house right now. But anyway, Maya, why don't you tell us how you start making crepes? Okay.
So the first step is you add in, well, so we're doubling the recipe. So it has to be 2 cups of flour because the original is 1. So
I'll move this for you.
Okay. Just dump it in.
And then should we start warming up the pan at this point too?
Yeah.
So we'll do a medium-low.
So I'm gonna put in the milk.
Okay.
It's half cup of milk in the original, but we are doubling it, like I said. So it's gonna be 1 cup.
You want me to start mixing for you?
Yeah.
Will you do that? Okay.
We can add in the water.
Okay. So you want to share how many times you've made this recipe?
I made this like over 10 times. Well, at least 10 times.
Wow.
Because so I made it for like my family, for breakfast, for we'll eat it for lunch sometimes, and for dessert, for like after dinner.
So does everybody in your family like crepes?
Oh, they love it.
Ah.
We've tried it like once with ice cream, but the thing about it is that if you eat it like right off the pan fresh with ice cream in it, it's gonna melt. So
that's true.
You don't want to do that.
You know, I remember your mom when she was living in Japan actually, because she did the JET program like a long time ago. But when she did it, I remember because Jenny and I would go and visit her, and she made us crepes with her students at the time, and she put ice cream in it too.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's where she started liking to make crepes, your mom.
Yeah. I think she said she lost her crepe pan, so she can't find
Oh, she had a crepe pan?
I think she said that she had a crepe pan, like where she made crepes in it.
Oh, okay. All right. So what do we have here? We have
the flour, milk, and water.
Okay.
And then next step is you have to add in 2 eggs, but we're doubling it, so it'll be 4. So we'll just crack all of them and then add them in.
You good at cracking eggs?
Most of the time. Sometimes I get shells in there, but it's fine. I'll just get it out.
So I've noticed too that you like to bake more, yeah?
I do. Like over this, I remember.
Put it in here for now.
During winter break, I made beignets, but we didn't make a video on that.
Yeah, maybe we will.
The thing about it is that we didn't have a stand mixer, and if you don't have one, I feel like it's gonna wear the motor out because we already had like a regular electric mixer, and I think it almost wore like out the motor in it. So yeah, I think they highly recommend to have like a stand mixer.
So you made beignets. What else have you made recently?
I made bread with Grandma Gail. It's like a banana bread kind of. But it's cool because it's like if you don't know how to use like old bananas, you can like cut up the bananas and like mash it up and then put it in the bread. It's pretty cool. We need the butter.
Okay, so this is 4 tablespoons of melted butter, right?
You know, I don't actually know if the order really matters, but yeah.
Do you always have the same order every time you do it?
I try to do the same order, but I remember one time it just turned so chunky for some reason, and we had to put like a bunch of water in it.
So I guess that's the key. If it's too thick, then you put water.
Yeah, just like little at a time. Okay, so next up we have salt, and that's the last ingredient you need to put in. What was it? We need
half a teaspoon, right?
half a teaspoon.
Yeah.
But the original recipe said it's 1/4.
So yeah, so we're just doubling the recipe
Yeah.
because we have a big family. All right, you want to mix and see if it's a really good consistency? Do you like it?
It's supposed to be like this type of texture. Last time, I remember one time I made it and it turned out like a pancake texture.
Oh, like
and
it's too thick?
It's too thick.
What do you do for the pan? Because it's pretty hot.
We normally try samples.
Do you do a little oil or do you not do oil?
No, because it already
'Cause it
has
has
butter
butter.
in it, so
Got
it
it.
should be non-stick already. We're gonna put a dash of batter in it because we just want to make sure the pan is ready to cook.
Yeah. And this is a non-stick pan, so.
And we also put butter in it, so most likely we won't stick. You poured a little bit because.
Try to do this.
And we can tell if it's cooked like pancakes, you know.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, it's ready.
Do you feel like this is good?
Yeah,
What do you think?
that's good.
Here, blow it a little bit. Think it's too hot? Is it ready? Is it good?
That's ready.
Does it taste good? All right.
Because it's supposed to
Chef
taste like
Maya said it's ready. All right. Okay, pour them in. To have a strong left arm there. Oh. And now it's the swivel. Oh, I see some bumps. That's okay.
It's fine if it's like that. I mean, it's not always gonna be perfect. Okay, I guess this is gonna be a mini crepe because I didn't pour.
So maybe we would want a little bit more batter. Do you want to flip? Do you want me to try flip for you?
I can.
Okay. So when do you want to flip? When you see the bubbles come up?
This already looks ready because like you can tell because like there's like bubbles
flip it,
and
flip it.
it looks dry and yep. And don't take your time because
Wow, that looks good.
yeah, this is ready.
All right. We have a nice little
Perfect first crepe.
container to put it in. All right. Very good. Good job. So Maya, how do you feel like having so many younger cousins now?
I feel like I have to be more in charge.
Do you feel like you have to be more responsible?
Yeah. Well, especially I have younger siblings, so I would take care of them mostly. I kind of like being the oldest, to be honest.
So if you watched this channel from the beginning, you saw Maya actually as a baby, like in a lot of the videos with my grandpa and grandma. Yeah, you remember? So Maya was the one back then saying all of that stuff. Yeah,
It's
Maya
fine.
and Mari were the younger ones in those videos. Now you guys are like the older ones.
Yep.
Okay, now we are at the best part. We're gonna make one. Maya's gonna show us how she makes her delicious crepe and what she uses.
So the first thing I put on my crepe is Nutella because I don't know why I put that on first because it's like I feel like I do similar steps of like decorating a pizza. So like this is basically the sauce of my crepe. Okay, so the next thing I put on is strawberries or any type of fruit you want. That's fine. So let's test this out.
Is it good?
Must be good. You got the Nutella on your cheek.
Here, got you a napkin.
Did I get it?
All right, well this was a success. So we're gonna make a couple different versions now.
Did I get it off? Oh.
Yeah. We're gonna make a couple different versions now. I'm gonna make a couple more, and then we will have a couple more people taste test these delicious crepes. So good job, Maya.
Okay, so we're
Okay,
gonna.
wait, so the mom's gonna make the savory one now. She really likes smoked salmon, is that right?
I love smoked salmon.
Okay, I don't know, I thought you did.
I do.
And she actually also found some capers that we're gonna put as well, because you know you can't have lox without capers. We also have another guest. I think Eichel is.
Okay, so we'll put some.
Eichel wants to be in the video.
We have
So
cream
Eichel,
cheese
after Grandma Gail makes this one, then you can make yours, okay?
and some capers here, because you can't have salmon and cream cheese without capers.
I'm smiling.
Like,
You're not gonna get the capers. Good, yeah.
yeah, this is a nice.
It's very delicious, actually.
It's very good in a
very
crepe,
good.
and it's lighter than in a bagel. Did you tell Maya good job for making the crepes?
It's all begging for the grapes.
Thank you.
All right, Aiko, do you like chocolate?
Yes.
Tell me if you like. Lick this. Lick it. Do you like that? Try it. You like it? Oh, she bit my finger. Do you like it? Yes? Do you want to put this on your crepe? Okay, we'll put a little bit of this, okay? Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of Nutella. Do you like strawberries? Okay, put some strawberries on there. Put them, lay it down like this. Okay, go, put another one. Strawberries. Put it on there. Okay, you wanna put some raspberries? How about some banana? You want some banana? Good, you wanna see the last special step? The last special step is called powdered sugar. Does your mommy like you to have powdered sugar, you think? Yeah? Okay. So this is like a good final step you can do, right? You're just gonna grab some powdered sugar. We're gonna put it in here, and we're just going to sprinkle it. Watch this, I go sprinkle it. Ooh, look at that. That looks beautiful. I go say it looks beautiful.
They look like beautiful.
Okay, wanna try it on the camera? Like everybody else? All right, open your mouth. Wait. How is it? Is it good?
Good.
Mmm. All right, you wanna eat the rest of it?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go have you sit down at the table, okay? Okay, say bye, camera.
Bye, Mama.
All right, so we're gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Maya, you did an awesome job. Just, you know, I know this was like one of your first times being featured, right? You're in a lot of videos, but you never really like cooked anything like this. So good job, Maya. And we look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.